Another one of the theatres that we're going to look at in the Birmingham City Centre area is the Alexander Theatre. Now, the Alexander Theatre was opened in 1901 and is a little bit smaller than the Birmingham Hippodrome. It only has 1,347 seats. Like the Hippodrome, it specialises in West End shows, might have some musicals and some dramas on there. It also has the facility to have comedian performances on there. A few famous comedians have gone and performed at the Alexander Theatre and done very well. The theatre itself doesn't have the same kind of facilities as the Birmingham Hippodrome. It doesn't have a restaurant or a smaller restaurant. It does have a foyer bar, which is able to sell some alcoholic drinks and some snacks, and also has facilities for some kind of ushers to come round and sell confectionery like sweets and ice cream, as does the Birmingham Hippodrome. Also in the entrance area, there's vendors selling merchandise like programs and t-shirts, which very much depends on the show you're going to see. The Alexander Theatre again is committed to access for all. It has an inclusive policy where it tries to let people with disabilities get as much access to the shows as anybody else. It has some signed performances for the deaf or hard of hearing, and it also has some audio described performances for the visually impaired. However, it doesn't offer as many facilities as the Birmingham Hippodrome did on that kind of aspect. The Alexander Theatre is situated slap bang in the middle of the city centre. It's located on Station Street and is very close by to the Radisson Hotel, which is a new building which was built a few years ago in the city centre. It's a big blue building which you can see from miles around, and actually from the top of the science block in our academy you can actually see the Radisson building. Alexander Theatre doesn't have a car park, but visitors still can use the NCP car parks around the area, and also there is some kind of on-street parking. Tickets range again from £15 to £40 depending on the show you're going to go and see and the seats you're going to sit in. And the Alexander Theatre does offer some discounts for group bookings, which is a good thing because it can save some people some money. So again, Strand C, so just describing some of these aspects. You're looking at the facilities and explaining them. You also, if you want to move up to a higher mark, you need to try and say why some of these facilities are put in this kind of way. So Alexander Theatre might struggle because they haven't got a restaurant, and it probably is due to it being a little bit of a smaller theatre. And you could mention the location and say that as it's close to the Radisson Hotel, it might get some kind of tourists from out of town come to the theatre because of the proximity to the hotel. Okay, thank you.